filing taxes jointly for the first time can seem daunting, but it's actually straightforward when you follow these steps. Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and today I'll guide you through the process. First, it's crucial to understand your spouse's tax situation, including any outstanding tax debt and how it will be managed. Communicate with the IRS about any address changes using Form 8822, available on the IRS website at irs.gov. If there have been name changes due to marriage, update these with the IRS as well. Gather all necessary tax documents for both you and your spouse, such as W-2s and 1099s. Decide whose name will go first on the IRS form and maintain consistency in future filings. Notify your employer to update your W-4 form for tax deductions accordingly. Determine who will take responsibility for filing the taxes and choose your preferred filing method. Finally, file your taxes jointly, ensuring you were married before January 1st of the filing year. Otherwise, file separately. Following these steps will make filing taxes jointly for the first time a smooth process.